Today, once again we are going to discuss 4 questions from exercise number 2 of algebraic equalities. So in the first question, let us check how can we proceed. X square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 6. So now it is a very easy question. So what we will do, we can square it, and this is always positive. Discriminant is 16 minus 24. So this is always positive, this is always positive. So there is no condition need to be checked here. Simply squaring it will do. X square minus 4x plus 6 whole square minus, we will bring it to this side, 4x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Now this is common, we will take out common. X square minus 4x plus 6 is common, and here x square minus 4x plus 6 minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 2, this is 2, sorry. Minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is a positive number. And this is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this can be removed from the equality. This is x minus 2 square is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 2 is the answer. This is the only answer that we are getting. So we will move on to question number 18. X square plus root over x square plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 12 minus 2x. This is positive, therefore this should also be positive. So 12 minus 2x greater than 0 equal to 0, therefore x is less than equal to 6. So this is the thing we need to do. Now, we cannot take x square to that side and square it. Instead we will bring it here. So this gives us x square plus 2x plus 12 plus root over x square plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now you can see here that x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x is common, so we will alter it little. Now this is all perfectly alright. Now x square plus 8, it will be minus 12. So it will be minus 20. Now what will we do? We will put this equal to y. Y is equal to root over x square plus 2x plus 8. This is always positive, so need not worry. This gives us y square plus y minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, y plus 5, y minus 5, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 5 and 4. So what is the value of y? Root over x square plus 2x plus 8. This is equal to minus 5 and 4. Now you can very easily see that this cannot be equal to negative value. Therefore, this is equal to 4. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 4 square is equal to 16. X square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So, x plus 4, x minus 2 is equal to 0. That gives us x equal to minus 4 and 2. X equal to minus 4 and 2. So, there was no condition except this. X is less than equal to 6. So, both the values are accepted. So, answer is x equal to minus 4 and 2. Moving on to question number 19, which is a very easy question. This is a cube root, so there is no condition. X can be negative, x can be positive. So, cubing both sides, we get 16 minus x cube is equal to minus x minus 4 cube. For the ease of purpose of cubing it, so this is equal to like 16 minus x cube equal to minus x cube minus 12x square plus 48x minus 64. So minus x cube gets cancelled out. So we get 12x square minus 48x plus 64, 16 taken to that side equal to 0. That is 12x square minus 48x plus 48 is equal to 0. So therefore 12x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. That gives us x minus 2 square is equal to 0. That is x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the correct answer. Next question 20. Now in this question you need to be on alert mode. There are 2-3 conditions. Let us see what are these conditions. X should be greater than equal to 0. X plus 2 should not be equal to 0. And x plus 2 should be greater than equal to 0. There are 3 conditions that need to be checked. Okay. Now let us take LCM. Therefore root x plus 2 minus 4 plus root x plus 2 square divided by root x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a positive quantity, so this can be taken to that side and get multiplied becomes 0. So it is now root x plus 2 minus 4 plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore now root x plus 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have got no other option except to take 2 minus x on that side. Therefore root x plus 2 whole square is equal to 2 minus x whole square. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to 4 minus 4x plus x square. X square plus 2x equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 cancel. 6x equal to 4. X equal to 4 by 6. X equal to 2 by 3. Now let us check whether there is any violation. X is greater than equal to minus 2. Okay. X is not equal to minus 2. Okay. X is greater than equal to 2. Yes. So x equal to 2 by 3 is the correct answer. So today also we have done 4 sums very easily. Hope you must have liked this session. Please like it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.